Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing how you can get this kind of makeup base. But before starting the video, I would like to tell you that this kind of base is generally not preferred for those function makeup, like for wedding makeup and all, because for that there's a different kind of steps that are involved to get that base so that it looks good under light and it stays for a longer time. So in this video I'm sharing a generalized way how you can get a good base, but you need to find out what works for your skin type. As my skin is oily, so I need to do some extra steps, but if your skin is dry or normal, your skin will it will go good with all types of bases. So you need to find out what works for you. So starting off with a moisturizer, here I'm using the Pond's Super Light Gel. For primer, I am using this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. It is a silicone based primer, so it will help to fill in the pores well. I am applying it on the areas that usually get a lot of oil, like my T-zone, on my eyes, around my mouth. So now for color correction, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD corrector in the shade Peach. So color correcting is very important because all those discoloration on your face, like under your eyes, around your mouth, on your forehead, will definitely going to give a little bit of dark patch even if you apply a foundation with a good coverage. So make sure you are doing color correction according to your skin color. As I fall under fair skin category, so the peach corrector goes for me. Same as for a person who falls under a darker tone, will have a more darker shade of color corrector product. So you need to find out that what works for your skin. So for concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 Light. So to brighten up your under eye areas and the high points of your face, you need a brighter concealer, than your skin tone, so that it gives you a little bit of brightening effect. And this will even cover the corrector that you have applied before this. So to set the concealer, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. Now, first thing, my skin is extremely oily, and plus we are in summer season, so baking is required for me. And if your skin is normal or dry, you don't need baking. Banana powders give a nice brightening effect. So for foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. So when you apply foundation, go in a dot form, like apply a small dot in a small area and then just blend that particular area well, then go to another area, because there are some foundations that can give you dry patches, so you need to blend them very quickly. But this one is not like that. This is a very good foundation, especially for people with oily skin. Now I'm just dusting off the excess powder I used for baking. and I've just applied the same powder on all over my face to set my whole foundation. So after all these steps, you need to fix your makeup, your base. So for that I'm using NYBae makeup fixer. Just spray it from some distance and then just take your beauty blender and dab it on your face, and then you're all done. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends. You can also follow me on my social medias. The links are in the description box. So till my next video, take care and bye bye.